Hi, my name is Janice and I struggle with dry skin. I tend to get eczema around my eye area and it's really uncomfortable for me. Today I'm going to be highlighting my favorite product from First Aid Beauty, the Ultra Repair Cream. Let me show you why I'm obsessed. First, let's talk about how incredible it feels. It has a really unique whipped texture that feels luxurious without being too heavy on my skin. It's so lightweight, yet it's so incredibly hydrating. It's actually clinically proven to more than double skin's hydration after just a single use. And I mean, the instant results speak for themselves. It's become a staple in my daily routine. After cleansing, I take a small amount and massage it into my face, really focusing on my dry areas. And as you can see, it absorbs quickly and doesn't leave behind any greasy residue. My favorite thing about this product is that you could use it from head to toe. After I shower, I take a generous amount and apply it to my entire body, starting from my legs all the way up to my neck. It's made with colloidal oatmeal, which is the only FDA-approved over-the-counter ingredient for relieving the symptoms of eczema. But honestly, even if you don't struggle with eczema and you're looking to get silky soft skin, you'll love it too. I've been using the Ultra Repair Cream for years, head to toe, morning and night, and it's truly saved my skin. Thank you so much, First Aid Beauty.